electricity. So you can see there's low voltage cables running along inside the footpath. That is actually a big positive. If we look at the street view, you see the house's current services come from this pole here. If we're creating a rear lot up the back there, typically a rear lot, they're never going to allow you to go overhead power. So you're going to have to run underground power at the back there. That map is showing, it looks like the electricity is currently in this footpath. That would need to be confirmed, but at least then you're just running it up the back. You're not having to take it from this pole underneath or through the bitumen and out the other side. So it's not as expensive. If you've got to bring power from across the road, that you're typically talking 25 grand or more. That's including construction and design. Because we're talking a rear lot, it does introduce some new costs. You have to get design done by an electrical engineer. Not a huge job for them, but you've just got to factor it in. We know we can get power, but what's the best way to get it? This line going across this house wouldn't be able to remain if the driveway's up here, because that line would be crossing across what is now land that will be owned by the rear block. So what's most likely going to happen is a green buoy that normally straddle a boundary. It's what, where your power comes from. So probably going to end up with a green buoy about here, one connection to the rear lot, one connection to the existing house. So then this house would be brought to underground power, which they like to do wherever possible. They try and remove the overhead connections where possible. So power is relatively simple on this one, but it is going to require an electrical engineer.